So this is my video on how to report and how to describe lost property, los objetos perdidos. So let's have a look at what we could have lost. ¿Qué es perdido? What have you lost? He perdido, I have lost. Un maletín. Okay, so listen and repeat. Escucha y repite. Un maletín. Una cámara. Un collar. Una bolsa. Now note this one is bolsa. It's quite good because it's got a feminine ending, so that means it's a handbag. Un iPod or iPod or iPod. Unas llaves. So this is some keys, but una llave for one key. Un pasaporte. Un monedero. Unos anillos, so some rings, or un anillo for a ring. Un bolso, so notice the different bolso, bolsa. Okay, bolso, bolsa. Una maleta. Un osito de peluche. Un paraguas. Un billetero, or sometimes they use una cartera. Okay, sorry, this one's un móvil, so a mobile phone. And this one's un iPod or iPod. Okay, móvil, iPod. Unas tarjetas de crédito. Or if you're doing the singular, una tarjeta de crédito. Okay, so let's see whether you can remember the English. So aquí tenemos el vocabulario. ¿Cómo se dice en inglés? Un iPod, un bolso, un monedero, un collar, un maletín, un billetero, un pasaporte, un osito de peluche, unos anillos, un móvil, un paraguas, una bolsa, unas tarjetas de crédito, una cámara, unas llaves, una maleta. One slight spelling you might need to think about is cámara. Often see students putting an E here instead of an A, so just be careful of that one. And note where you've got masculine, un or unas if it's plural, and una if it's feminine, or unas if it's feminine plural. Okay, ¿cómo se dice en inglés? So the first one's easy, iPod obviously. Dos, a sports bag or a large bag. Tres, purse. Cuatro. Cinco. Seis. Remember, you could also use una cartera instead of billetero. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so rewind it back if you're not sure about how you pronounce them. So we're using ¿Qué has perdido? What have you lost? He perdido, I have lost. So let's have some practice. ¿Qué has perdido? He perdido, so if you can say he perdido and what you've lost as it appears on the screen. So you should have said he perdido una bolsa. He perdido un móvil. He perdido unas llaves. He perdido un pasaporte. He perdido una maleta. He perdido una cámara. He perdido unos anillos o un anillo. He perdido un paraguas. He perdido un iPod. Be careful your pronunciation here. Some of my students miss out the D and say perdido. Just be careful you've got the D in there, perdido. Okay. He perdido unas tarjetas de crédito. Or if you're doing the singular, una tarjeta de crédito. Okay, so let's move on. ¿De qué colores? Son. So, ¿de qué colores? What color is it? It is, or son, they are. So, do you remember your colors? Bien, entonces, violeta, rosa, azul, verde, amarillo, rojo, naranja, marrón, blanco, negro. Okay, so here are the words. Can you match them up? So pause it now, have a go, and then we'll go over the answers. Okay, bien, entonces, rosa, violeta, rojo, marrón, azul, verde, amarillo, blanco, negro, naranja. Now remember, when you're doing colours, you need to make sure you think about the endings and whether the endings should change. So, ¿de qué colores? So, for example, if it's gender change, un anillo rojo, but una cámara roja, because cámara is feminine. So, rojo, the O changes to an A. Now, it only does that when there is an O on the end. And then by number as well, so una llave roja, a red key, but unas llaves rojas, red keys. Un bolso azul, a blue bag, unos bolsos azules. Okay, now, if you're not sure how adjectives work, have a look through your notes on adjectives. Otherwise, you can have a go. So, ¿cómo se dice a black and white umbrella? Un paraguas blanco y negro. Now, in Spanish, they put white and black round the other way. You could have put negro y blanco, but they tend to say blanco y negro. A yellow suitcase. Careful with this one. Una maleta amarilla. 2 brown teddy bears. Careful of the plural now. Dos ositos marrones. Now I missed out de peluche, because you could miss out de peluche. But marron, it's plural es on the end. Note that it drops its accent as well in the plural. 5 black wallets. 5 billeteros negros. Or if you use cartera, 5 carteras negras. 2 green handbags. I'm not sure you're going to see this last one, but I'll say it anyway. Dos bolsas verdes. Oh, you should be able to see that. Okay, so hopefully you got the hang of those. So, ¿qué has perdido? What have you lost? He perdido, I have lost. Then we could use the preterite tense. ¿Qué perdiste? What did you lose? Perdí, I lost. So the difference between has lost, what have you lost? I have lost. What did you lose? I lost. And then we've also had de qué color es, or son, es or son. What color is it, or are they? It is, they are. Okay, so can we describe these in each case? There's 8 to do. So can you say what you've lost, what color it is? Pause it now and have a go, and then we'll go over the answers. Okay, so the camera. He perdido una cámara violeta. Now, violeta's already got A on the end, but you might have used morado, which is another word for purple. So you could have had morada, or púrpura as well. Número 2, the bag. Perdí una bolsa roja. Now I'm using a mixture of perdido y perdí. You can use whatever. I lost, I have lost, I have lost, or I lost. Una bolsa roja, but the important thing is the adjective, roja. He perdido mi iPod, y es negro. So we could add, and it's black, or we could just say mi iPod negro, mi iPod negro. We could also just put un iPod, because we assume it's your iPod. when you've lost it. He perdido un paraguas que es rojo y amarillo. So now I've put a relative pronoun here, which is red and yellow. Que es rojo y amarillo. You could have taken the que es completely out. He perdido un paraguas rojo y amarillo. A teddy bear now. Perdí mi osito de peluche. Es marrón. I've lost my teddy bear. It's brown. So different ways in which you can express it. He perdido mi maleta marrón. Tiene muchas etiquetas. Etiquetas are stickers. So it's got lots of stickers. He perdido un monedero azul. He perdido un maletín negro. Okay, so we've got the hang of doing colours and saying what you've lost, I have lost, and I lost. So the two different tenses there. De qué es? So let's think about de qué es. What's it made of? Es de. We've got various things here. Oro, metal, plata, plástico, tela, papel, piel. Now you may know some of these already. Oro is gold. Es de oro, it's made of gold. Metal is easy. Plata, it's silver. Plástico is easy. Tela is made of material. Papel you may know already, paper. Piel, leather. So what things do you know already you could put under each of these? Es de. Pause it now, have a think. Okay, so here's some examples you could have had. Es de oro, it's made of gold. Anillo, collar. Metal, llaves, cámara, maleta. Plata, collar, anillo again. Plástico, paraguas, cámara, bolso, bolsa, maletín. Tela, bolso, bolsa, maleta, monedero. Papel, pasaporte. Piel, bolso, bolsa, billetero, monedero, maleta, maletín. Any of those? So, este, it's made of. ¿De qué es? What's it made of? So another question you might use is, ¿de qué marca es or son? What make is it? What brand is it? Es de, it's a whatever. Son de, they are whatever. So some examples. Es de Canon, it's made by Canon, or it is a Canon, we might say in English. Son de Apple, they're made by Apple, or they are Apple made. Okay, we'll have a look at this in the next one, but have a think about what you think these words mean. So have a look at video 2 for the continuation of this.